Whoa. Hey, what's up YouTube? What's up Berreaders? Welcome to what we call this, On the Spot Dirty Berry show. I'm going to be talking about Alkaline New Rules concert. Now, I want to know what were your thoughts. What did you think about Alkaline's performance? A lot of people have been saying that, you know, they've been messaging, they've been posting and basically saying that he is still not a good performer. I watched it. I watched his performance. I watched it online. Hear what? Let me just talk and be straight. I never liked the one bag of man them on the stage. I never understood why Alkaline need to be surrounded by, you know, Moses and Joel and Jesus' disciples them, and everybody in the army are prepared for World War III. Why did that need to take place? I just don't understand. Alkaline a fair show. I want to see you alone up on the stage. More when you enter the stage, you know, enter the stage just like everybody else. I want to see the stage change the same way. Them can take 20 minutes to do a little band change and them somebody. I want to see Alkaline coming through the roof, coming underneath the earth, coming through something. Like, I want Alkaline to be as epic as the man himself. The brand Alkaline is not a normal regular type of brand, you know. So that is something that I was very upset by. I mean, I understand why DJ Sunshine up on the stage and I fear cuss off people for leave the stage, for make way for the artist. I mean, I understand them something there. Like, and the people up on the stage in the most could have clear it. Why everybody out there and have to be so long? Why? Wagwan? You have more people on the stage than we're in the audience. I don't understand, but anyway, separate and apart from that, I thought that Alkaline did pretty well. My expectations weren't that high. He isn't the best performer, and I think that more has to do with his personality. He's very closed off and boxed off, and in order to be a very charismatic performer, a very engaging person, you have to be a little bit sociable, and you can't exist in a bubble. And so for now, Alkaline is in a bubble, and him, you know, he's not just that person in terms of, he's probably at a one-off level. He's very good, but in terms of publicly, I don't think he's that person for sure right there, you know. So what people have been saying that your performance did flop. I wouldn't say flop. It wasn't a flop performance. Don't do the artist that. I actually would give him between 6 and 7 out of 10. I thought it was pretty cool. Clearly the man have whole heap of hits, and that was good. I thought that Tarrus Riley surprisingly was a cool addition to the show. From what I saw, Shaggy did well. Who else was there? The only thing I really wish that there was a female on the show, but the hottest female right now is a Gaza fan. Someone knows him would bring Spice Comp on the show. But what was else? What I can't recall anything else that I can speak to right now. It's just that people are just saying that Alkaline is not a good performer, and it did flop. It did flop because everybody away theme and the man just come on the stage, and then that was it. At one moment in the show, Alkaline performed, and I thought it was going to be, it ended. Him walk off the stage with Movado, and then it seemed like DJ Sunshine, I don't know what was happening behind the scenes, but it seemed as if DJ Sunshine had to be coercing him to return to the stage to perform a few more songs because the crowd looked clearly displeased. And him eventually come back on the stage. Him do him 2 songs, and then him just walk off. No real big exit, him just kind of walk off, and I guess people just figured out on their own that that was a wrap. You know, me get little words, said there was 1 and 2 little gunshot, people did a fight in the audience. But you know, these things, it happen sometimes with stage shows like these. All in all, it was a good idea to have an event like this. The lineup was surprisingly pretty cool, and it went well. I just wanted Alkaline's performance to be a little bit more extravagant. I wanted more to be done with it, because the man will save himself in how long. Me don't want him just up on the stage regular. Me don't want him to look like him all Michael Jackson. Me don't want him look iconic like how the man himself really is. So that's the only takeaway, and I'm just very vexed about the one bag of hell of a man them on the stage. I don't understand why that went on. Alkaline, you know, regular now, you know, they on some BET, MTV level, and they say things supposed to day. When me Beyonce perform on stage, I see the whole affair. I even say half a Destiny's Child upon it. I see the whole of Destiny's Child and her entourage. I see her mother, I see her cousin, I see everybody upon it. I see Blue Road back her. I don't see these things. I don't understand why when you're on the stage, you have to have these one bag of army and police and the whole accountant general behind you. I don't understand, but in the end, just let me know, what did you think? I thought Alkaline, the show was pretty good. I'd give that, and I thought I'd give this performance like a 7 out of 10. But what do you think? Did you think that Alkaline lived up to the expectations that you had? What did you think about his performance? Do you think it was epic enough? Do you think it was good? Was it a good set? Do you think it was poor? What kind of recommendations would you give to the artist so that he can improve in the future? Thank you so much for watching another Dirty Berry show. I am Dirty Berry. Make sure that you like, share, and you comment. If you want to follow me on social media, it is at Dirty Berry Show. Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, all over. You want to email me, you want to book me, it is dirtyberryshow@gmail.com or bookings@Livstush. Thank you so much and take care. Peace out. Whoosh. Queen. Careful. Is that it? Am I getting everything? Yeah, I think that's it. Peace out.